Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to talk about what is an adverb. Adverbs are words we use to describe verbs, adjective or other adverbs. Adverbs modifying adjective, verb, other adverbs. Number 1, we are discussing about modifying verbs. How does it work? 1. She sang beautifully. Sang is verb. Beautifully is an adverb. Here, beautifully is an adverb that modifies the verb song. Okay? Here. Second, they worked happily. Worked is verb. Happily is adverb. Happily is an adverb that modifies the verb worked. Here, adverbs are telling us how something was done. Modifying adjectives. I am so hungry. So is adverb. Hungry here is adjective. So is an adverb that modifies the adjective hungry. You are very beautiful. Here, very adverb. Beautiful adjective. Very is an adverb that modifies the adjective beautiful. And here is third, modifying other adverbs. Adverb very loudly. Number 1, he speaks very loudly. Speaks verb, very adverb, loudly adverb. Loudly describe the verb. Loudly describe the verb speaks, and very describe the adverb loudly. Number 2, she knows me very well. Here, well describe the verb knows, and very describe the adverb well. I hope you like it, and if you like it, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Thanks for watching my video.